Go.
Say welcome back.
Well, cooking with Jade, and this is my first cooking class. I'm showing my mom how to cook and make cookies. So this is what I'm making. So just
Jade, you're the cutest man I've
this
ever
thing, and
witnessed.
let's get some dough. Move the chair. And if you need a chair. And let's find the dough. The dough.
You need help?
No. The dough is right here. And now we are starting to make the cookies. And so we put the dough together.
I think you only do one, Jade.
No, we do two.
No,
He
you
knows.
only do one.
Oh, we put the dough together.
There was two doughs.
Okay, you're messing up the video. Now we have to do another video.
No, just
No,
keep,
no,
just continue
no.
the video.
No, I don't like this video.
Nope, I like this video.
I don't. No, okay, no.
You're only supposed to do one of those, Jade.
No, we're not.
Yes.
We're supposed. Oh, the video's terrible.
You're supposed to do one of
No,
those.
we're not.
You're
Imagine
that little girl.
because it's too much.
Fine. Now do another video.
No, Jade, it's perfect.
No, it's not. I don't like it.
Listen,
crop
listen
this
here,
part out.
listen here, Monk. I'm serious. We'll crump it out. Come on, start over.
Yeah, we'll crop it out. We'll crop it out. We'll crop it out.
I'm not doing it until you turn it on another video.
All right, okay, I did it. Let's go.
Did you really?
Yes, come on.
Okay. So, well, and now, we only use one, and we get up this.
Okay.
And, well, we put a little bit,
Okay. You take.
this on each side.
Oh, here,
And please wash your hands after you are done doing this.
Okay. Make sure to wash your hands.
Yeah. And so,
Did you plant this Band-Aid here?
That was a test.
do another video.
No, she did.
And now, we do this and ask parents to hold the thing still. And if you got it still and you don't have and your parents aren't around and you got things still, just keep on rolling. If your and please ask your parents before you do this. If you're a grown-up, you don't have to ask your parents. And keep it flat, but not too flat.
You don't want to have a bad taste of the skinny cookie.
Yeah.
Are these good cookies? I'm just asking the chef.
It's an example.
That's our example, and we haven't cooked them yet, but we will there. But
Does that show the perfect thing?
Can we show the other cookies?
yeah,
Please.
please. And
This is serious.
we are doing some things,
You want to show the cookies?
and this is one of the cookies that I'm about to eat.
The perfect example.
Yeah, it's a perfect example, and I'll tell you if it's good or not. It's good. I'll just have this. And well,
I thought you were going to decorate it.
and we get these. It doesn't have to be anything like this. You could pick your own. Put it as close to the edge as you can. And it's good if you put it close to the edge, but to have more room. And